everyone, welcome to Ilam Municipality Distance Learning class. I am Subin Pariyar, your math teacher. Today I am here to teach you math for class 3. So let's start our class. Today I am teaching you about Roman numbers. So students, in Roman number system there are 7 symbols to represent different numbers. Like there are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500 and M represents 1000. In this class, we will know the Roman numbers using only 4 symbols, that is I, V, X and L. So as I have already told you, I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10 and L represents 50. So students, there are few rules to learn. Now let's learn the conversion rules of Roman numerals to Hindu-Arabic numerals. Rule number 1. Rule number 1 is that we can repeat the symbol I and X maximum 3 times. The repetition of the symbols means addition. Now let's learn from these examples. Like I equals to 1, I equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2. That means I represents 2. Again I and I equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So that means I represents 3. Now another example, X equals to 10. X equals to 10 plus 10, that is 20. That means X represents 20. Again X equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. That means X represents 30. So we can repeat the symbol I and X maximum 3 times. The repetition of these symbols means addition. But remember, the symbol B and L is never be repeated. Now let's go to rule number 2. If a smaller symbol comes before a larger one, the value of the numerals is the difference of the values of the symbols. Like let's learn from the examples I, V. That is, here I is smaller than V. That means 5 minus 1 equals to 4. I, X. Here the symbol I is smaller than X. That means 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Now X, L. Here also X is smaller than L. So 50 minus 10 equals to 40. That means XL represents 40. Now let's learn about rule number 3. If a smaller symbol comes after a larger one, the value of the numeral is the addition of the values of the symbol. So let's learn from the examples here. VI. Here the smaller symbol I comes after V. So let's add here. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. That means VI represents 6. X, I. Here also the smaller symbols comes after the larger one. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 13. That means XI represents 13. Here L, V, I. Here also the smaller symbols are coming after the larger one. So L means 50 and VI means 8. So 58. So here LVII represents 58. Now let's convert Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. First let's take 19. Here 19 is 10 plus 9. So you can write 10 as x and 9 as ix. That means 19 represents xix. Now 28. Here 10 plus 10 is 20 and plus 8 is 28. You can write 10 as x, another 10 as x and 8 as VIII. So that means 28 is written as XXVIII. Now 42. 40 plus 2. 40 is written as XL and 2 is written as II. So that means 42 is represented by XLII. 55. 50 plus 5. So 50 is written as L and 5 is written as V. So 55 is written as LV. Now it's your homework time. So convert these new Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. And convert these Hindu Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for your time. See you in next class.